Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is an unbranded solar panel that I got from AliExpress. So it comes with some information, and it comes with instructions, which you don't need, and some other accessories, and of course the solar panel. And let's take it out. And this is what you get. So on the back you have this right here. This is the USB-A port, and as you can see, it turns on. It looks like it's flickering in the camera, but in real life it's not flickering. So I paid $12 for this, and it's from AliExpress, like I said. And overall I have mixed feelings about it. It does charge, but it's very slow, and there's something weird about it because it does not work on my iPhone. I'm actually recording with my iPhone right now, but it does not work. It does not work on the iPhone. It actually drains the iPhone. But on Android devices, it does charge very slowly, with one notable exception, which is this phone right here. It's a blue, I don't even know what it's. I know it's a blue something. And this one, it charges it perfectly well and very fast. I don't know why. I don't know if it's something to do with the operating system or the battery. I looked it up, and this one has a lithium polymer battery inside. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but it works perfectly well with this phone, this blue phone, BLU, blue. And I'm going to put the model on the screen. So if you happen to have this, I would strongly recommend you get this solar panel. Now, if you have other Androids, I tested this solar panel with other Androids, and it is very slow. It's slow charger, and you're gonna get a message that it says it's slow charging. You might even get a triangle with a exclamation mark, and that'll let you know that it's a slow charging. It's very slow charging. And like I said, iPhone, I have an iPhone 13. I don't know about other models, but specifically iPhone 13, it will actually drain. And it'll drain it very fast, and I have no idea why. And I have no idea how to fix it. Even though when you plug it in, if you were to buy this and you plug it in, it looks like it's charging. You're gonna see on your iPhone, the battery icon is gonna have that Thunderbolt on it. So you're going to be happy about it, but it's not charging. Even though it appears to be charging, it's not charging. It's discharging. At least on the iPhone 13. It might be different on other models. I don't know. I don't have that many iPhones. I only have one iPhone. So that's the thing about it. So I don't know how to rate it because it worked perfectly with the blue phone. It works so-so with other Androids, and it's disastrous with the iPhone. So I don't know what to say. I don't know how to rate it, but just keep that in mind. If you're gonna get it, I wouldn't recommend it if you have an iPhone 13. So in any case, thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.